Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Mohave County flood map to check if a parcel is in a flood zone or not. There's a link to the website below the video. This disclaimer comes up, just click agree and it'll take you to the interactive map. There are 4 ways to search for a parcel. You can search by name, by address, by parcel number, or by township, range, and section. Search for parcels here. There's a drop down where you can select any of the 4. Just use the association office. And click find. Parcel information will show up here. Just simply click on it and it'll zoom to whichever parcel you're searching. You can zoom in more to get a better idea of where you're at. You can see here that it's showing Zone X. If you go up here, it'll have the FEMA floodplain definitions. There's Zone X shaded and unshaded. Zone X shaded is within 0.2% annual chance of flood. Zone X unshaded would mean that it's higher elevation of the 0.2% chance of annual flood. Then you also have zones A, AE, AH, and AO. Those will all be zones that will require flood insurance. If it's zone D, then it has not been determined if there is a flood risk or not. Go ahead and show you how to search by parcel name. I just copy and pasted from the county website. And it brings it up the same. You can clear the result, zoom out, search by parcel number. Click find. Same thing, it'll zoom into the parcel. Township, range, and section. Of course, you just enter it in. Find. And it'll bring up that whole section. You can see there's a flood zone that runs through here where the wash is. And then over on the other side of Stockton Hill, there is an area here that's zoned AO. Those areas will be required to have flood insurance. Now there's a couple tools that you can use. You can print a web map. If you need to keep this for your file, you can generate a PDF, JPEG. It's pretty easy. You just click generate, processes. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Then you can open the map in a new window, save it, print it, whichever you would like to do. You can also look at the flood insurance rate map. You just select firm panel, click on the parcel, and then you can go to the link and it'll bring up the actual map that the insurance companies use. You can zoom in from there, find your parcel, has the crosshairs on it, showing that it's the shaded Zone X. You can also save or print this one as well. That about covers the FEMA flood map through the county website. If you have any questions, just let us know. Have a great day.